What you do on your phone, it's private, right? Well, that depends entirely upon your phone's security. We believe no one should have to go out of their way to protect their data. Instead, everyone should feel totally secure, free to explore, free to express themselves. That's why our phones have Knox security, unlocked only by you. Defense-grade Knox protects from the inside out. And Samsung privacy doesn't stop there. We even show you all those apps that access your data while you snooze. At a glance, you can see all of them in one easy-to-use dashboard. And that means you get to choose if you're happy to allow access or not. You can choose to surf algorithm-free with no one tracking what you're looking at. Or even choose to share photos without sharing your location. Shh. At Samsung, we believe there's no privacy without strong security. And we keep it transparent about how your data is used, so you have full control over what you share. Your privacy secured.